Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Men's Tarot, and this is what's happening for you and your love life in the coming future, in the next 2 to 3 months, how your person is feeling, what will happen between you and them. We're gonna look into detail messages from your person also in this reading. This is for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this reading is for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Men's Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, and friends, also make sure to subscribe, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. Yes, a free reading. Only those who subscribe will get a chance, so make sure to subscribe. One person is selected at the end of every month for a free reading, so subscribe, like, share, and join us on Insta. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, make sure to, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate, so don't take it personally. And also, this is a timeless reading, you can watch it anytime. And make sure to watch your April readings, pick a card readings, and other horoscope readings. So let's see, water signs, what's happening with you currently. Let's see that. Okay. Ooh, Nine of Cups. So you are feeling happy, happy, happy. Something is making you feel happy. You may be having some sort of a celebration right now. Let's see. Let's clarify what's happening. Okay, what's happening with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? What are they currently feeling? Theme. Okay, so I see that currently you're feeling like, okay, you're happy, you're feeling blessed, you're content with life in some way or the other. I do see that there might be a recent celebration, like in the family, with girlfriends, or some happiness may have come to you recently or will be coming to you very soon, some good news. But it feels like you are confused about certain things in life. There are some decisions also coming for you. You may be confused whether you should accept a person or not, whether you should accept a new person or not, a new proposal, where to go, what to do. Some of you might be having exams, so you are doing good, they are going well, but you are still a little confused what to do in life, where to go about your future. Some confusions are there in your mind. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is the theme for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Oh, Four of Pentacles. So definitely, you are, you're enjoying your life, but you don't want to tell that to others. I don't think so. You are posting a lot on social media or sharing a lot how good you are feeling on social media. You are keeping a secret profile, a low profile. I also feel some of you are a little worried about money, or like. When will money increase, when will money come in. You also want to save your money a little, because you might have been shopping or buying makeup or some things, buying watches or something like that too much. So it's like, oh, I need to just curb my spending. So, oh, Empress, yeah, look at that. So I do feel that some of you are ready to get married, some of you want a deeper commitment, some of you have been committing to your future, your goals, your ambitions, and you are investing and you in your work and career, and you feel very happy about it when you are doing this. But you still feel like money could be more. You can have more money in this career, in your business, in whatever you are doing. You feel like you can have more money even though you are doing good. So let's see what's happening with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Then we'll see your person. What's happening? Ooh, some transformation, some changes. I do feel you are going through a big change in your life. That's why you have mixed emotions right now. Like maybe you are feeling some days happy, some days sad, and you are like, what's happening? Why my moods are swinging? Because you are going through a spiritual awakening, a dark night of the soul. You are awakening, you are becoming more conscious. Also, some of you may have ended a relationship, some of you may be coming out of a breakup or healing. Some of you, I don't know. Let's clarify the death. Something is happening. This is like a spiritual transformation, a very strong spiritual transformation. Yes, you are connecting with your power. Aries, or you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sag, but it feels more like water signs. You are connecting with your power. You are becoming this divine masculine, this divine feminine. You are connecting with your power, and this is the huge transformation. I think you have been very kind, very giving. You are someone who will never pick a fight with anybody. Never try to, lead or something. But right now, you are going through a process of awakening, and this is connecting you with the power. This is connecting you and making you the emperor or the empress. So you are connecting with your inner god, your inner goddess energy. Woohoo! Way to go! What a science! Way to go! What's happening? The moon, yes, that's why you feel emotions are confusing, and you may be feeling very strongly about a person, about a relationship, but then you are also like, nah, I don't want to see their face. It's like you hate them, you love them. All the emotions are, together for you in this person. I also feel your person is also going through some deep emotional transformations. It's a spiritual awakening. It's a thunderbolt relationship. Your person, I feel you keep dreaming about your person, and you may not like that thing. Like, you want to be happy, you have moved on from this person, but you are like, huh? This person keeps haunting your ideas, they keep haunting your dreams, they keep, walking into your thoughts, and you are like frustrated. You are like, no, I don't want to think about this person, but damn, they keep coming. Look at that, Seven of Wands, you are resisting love. You are like, you want love on your own terms. You are like, no. I also feel you are almost running away from love. I don't know why, but it feels like that. Water signs, maybe because you have been burnt in love, so you are a little careful in love. I do feel that someone may have proposed you recently, or some marriage proposals or dates are coming your way. You're happy, but you are like eventually saying, Nana, bye bye. Ten of Cups. I do see that you want family. Family. Please excuse my throat. I see like someone wanna talk to you, but they really can't. Or you wanna talk to somebody, but you really can't. It's like you end up saying like, this thing which I had, like, you just go like, I can't say anything right now. I also feel your relationships are affected by your family. Maybe your family is telling you to get married or something, or your family is affecting your love life in some way, or their family is affecting the love life in some way. I also feel like you want ultimate success, ultimate happiness, but at the same time, you are also running away from love in some ways because you are very powerful. You are connecting with your inner power. So, love, you are going through changes, water signs, and you are going through very deep changes. It is difficult to explain these things in one reading. So let's see how your person is feeling, and then I'll give you more messages. Water signs, their person, how are they feeling? Lovers, yeah, your person is also missing you. They are also dreaming about you. They are also feeling very, very drawn towards you, connected with you. I also feel they also have some choices in love, like you have some choices in love. There might be, both of you are married, or this person is married, or they have an ex, or some third party is there. I also see some new people coming in your life, water sign. So new people for you also, new people for them also. So Four of Swords, this person is waiting. I feel they really are missing you. They are thinking about you, but they are also keeping quiet about you, about telling you how much they miss you. I do see they keep dreaming about you, and their dreams and emotions you can feel also. It is a telepathic connection. I feel like this person is like they are missing you. They want you, but they are keeping very, very quiet about it. It's like, I miss you, but I won't tell you, or I can't tell you. Ace of Wands, they feel so much passion towards you. They are like such sexual chemistry. You guys are definitely twin flames, or you have an intense relationship with each other, a lot of sexual chemistry, a lustful relationship, a deep loving relationship, a soul stirring romance it is. So they want a new start with you, definitely, and they want to be with you. But look at that, they want to make a move towards you also. Chariot, they can't wait. They are like, buzzing with excitement. They are like this butterfly who want to fly towards you. So what's happening in their life? Water signs person's life. They are just brimming with excitement. So this person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sag, your person. I also feel that they could be having strong air placements like moon in the air, or their ascendant rising sign is in the air. I feel this person was very logical in the past. They were very, very logical. They were all in their mind. And that's exactly what you don't like, water signs. You don't like anybody who is rational. You want somebody to be romantic, to be in love, to be all feeling, all heart. But this person was they were controlling, they were ignoring you, they were trying to be rational. They were like, nah, what I want is what I want. And I think that pushed you away, and now you're connecting with your power, and your person is seeing this and they are like, ooh, you are looking hot here, and they are saying cheers. Oh, I think Three of Wands. Yes, this person wants. If you are in a long distance, no contact, this person is keep watching you from far, and they wanna move towards you. They wanna tell you how amazing you are looking right now, and they wanna definitely break this ice, break this no contact with communications, and they wanna apologize. They wanna say they have been a fool, and high priest. Yeah, I do feel like both of you are married, or different religion cultures are a factor in this connection. Or maybe they feel like maybe they are a single parent, or you are dating somebody else, so they something is stopping, like tradition, some ethical ethics or moral values, or something is stopping. It is this person, and they are like, ooh, I don't know what to do. Also, you could be like the boss and the junior, so they are a little scared, or you both are the bosses, so like a co-worker romance is the most famous romances. So they are a little, let's clarify, what is this about? I think they want to do you justice. Yeah, Six of Cups. They know they did you wrong in the past. They want to fix those things. They want to do right things. They want to be there for you. If they ignored you, they are sorry. If they pushed you away, they are sorry. If they were too much dominating, they are sorry. Now they see you in your power, and they are amazed, and they realize they miss you. They want to be back with you. They know you are their soulmate. And yes, they want to marry you for sure. Four of Wands. This is a twin flame connection. I do see karmic people involved here, family. Family, it could also be a third party. This person or you both could be married, or you are like having kids. That's single parents, so that's the problem. But maybe you both want to get married, but family is not allowing. But they definitely see you as this marriage potential. They want, in their mind, in their body and heart and soul, they are married with you. That's how this person feels. So let's see what is water signs person's feelings towards them. What are they feeling towards happiness? Wow, this person feels so happy when they think about you. I am aware that being happy means that I am on the right path. So definitely this person is very happy when they think about you. They miss you, and they feel a lot of sexual chemistry, a lot of happy. They get excited, they get full of life when they think about you. That's a beautiful message. I think that's beautiful. How water signs feel about this person? Okay, fear. Yeah, I think you are a little scared because this connection is confusing. Also, this connection is very intense on an emotional level, on a personal, physical level. The sexual chemistry is intense. The emotional chemistry is intense. It is like scaring you, water signs. It is like you don't know where you end and where this person starts. It is like they are overpowering you. You are a little scared of this person. Also, you are trying to run away from them. I don't know why, but you are like, no, this person is, you want your power. You are trying to protect yourself. I realize that I am testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. Fear, yeah. See, you're a little scared, and of course, it is bound to happen. If this is a new person, a new connection, a crush, a new lover, it could be anybody. But if this is a new person, you are actually not sure about them. You are a little scared of this person. Even if you know them for years, you're scared of this connection, the intensity. This is a twin flame connection. Look at that, fear and love. Oh, holy moly. You love them. I told you, you have a love and hate relationship with this person. You love them, but you hate them. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. You love them, but you are also scared of them. You are choosing to put yourself forward, and you are also trying to run away from this connection, but at the same time, you keep thinking about them. So, you're going through this person is bringing a deep transformation and awakening in your life. Let's see what they want to tell you. There was person wanna say, ooh, exchanging gifts. I'll pick that up, not to worry. That's the exchanging gifts card. So I do feel this person wanna gift you something. They wanna share their heart with you, and they wanna, share kisses and smooches and hugs and make love to you. Go the distance. Yes, this person knows this connection will last a lifetime, maybe coming lifetimes also. They want to do things which they were scared to do in the past. They want to take this relationship forward. And 11, perfect. I think they want to do things right now. If this person misbehaved in the past, they were they were foolish, they regret it. Now they want to do the right things. Also, if this person is a little this person does things by by the rule book, by as traditionally as possible. Like, this is the person who insists of paying your bills. If they are a man, if they take you out, they want to pay your bills, and you are like, what is this patriarchy? Why? I'm powerful too. And I'm surprised that, because I'm reading Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here, and your guys are like, "Who? I want my power," and this person is like, okay, they are a little surprised by your power. Come to the edge. Yes, this relationship is asking you both to come out of your comfort zones. And yin, yeah, I think this person wants you to keep your heart open, to stay receptive, and not think of too much of about your ego. Just love them a little more, and they also want to give you this love. They have a lot of love in their heart for you. So let's see what else, what they want to say to our viewers. Clean it up. Yeah, this relationship has gone through a lot of things, ups and downs, emotions, transformations. They want to clean that mess. They know they have done some stupidity. They are sorry for that. Let's see what they want to say to our viewers. This person, their person, what they want to say. Okay, thank you. Spirals of manifestation. So this person is manifesting you back in your life, and I feel they keep coming into your dreams. They keep coming in your thoughts again and again. No matter how much you try to stop this person, they just keep coming back in your mind, and I think it's frustrating you. But I see this is a deep connection, and this you just can't avoid it. This something is happening here. So what's happening? What they want to say to our viewers? Pandora's gift. I do see that there is a hidden blessing in this connection which you can't see right now, and they want you all things will reveal itself. Keep your faith, keep your hope alive. Some amazing gift is coming in this connection. Some sort of a awakening, some sort of a shift, a powerful union of hearts will happen. And defend to the end the worthwhile. This person will stand with you till the end of time, and till the end of through eternity. They want to defend you, they want to be there with you, they won't leave you. If this person left you in the past, they are sorry, they apologize for that. And look at this, the owl. I do feel like this is a very telepathic connection. They are trying to tell you they will not give up on you again. They are sorry for their mistakes. Their soul is aching. This is something coming from their soul, and this is whatever is happening in this connection is very spiritual actually. Restore and replenish. I do feel this is a time when you both are taking, I'm just checking if it's one or two cards, because they are very thick actually. Yeah, I feel you both are taking a little time away from each other. If your person has not messaged you, or they are not taking action towards you, it is because they need some time. A lot is happening in this connection behind the scenes. A lot of activity, a lot of transition and spiritual shifts are happening. You guys are becoming closer and closer. Let's see some advice for our viewers. Truth? Yes. Are you trying to look at the truth of this situation, or are you trying to run away from it? I think you are trying to deny that you love this person, or you enjoy them, but somewhere you are like, nah, I don't love them. Oh my god, look at that, the love card. You have two love cards. We had another one here. Love, you love this person, but you are scared. I don't know what's going on. Please confirm to me in the comments what's going on. Maybe you are just not ready for love, or maybe you met the right person at the wrong time. Something is really sorry for the hands, friends. Sorry, just arranging the cards, they are a little wonky. Love, look at that. Keep this person, you have to focus on love. Don't focus on the other things which are going on or which happened in the past. Try to focus on what's the reality. Try to give love some space to breathe. Don't try to be too focused on the right and wrong. What is the advice for our viewers? Okay, purity. Yes, you both are going through a time of purifications, awakening, spiritual understanding, security. Yes, you can rely on this person, you can trust them. I do feel maybe if they married somebody else, they are still connected with you, they like you and they care for you. Let's see some love messages, romance angels message for water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. True love, this is the romance of a lifetime. I think you all needed to see this, because somewhere you guys are like, no, this person left us, they left us, they left us, they did this, they did that. No, this is your true love, and you are spiritually very connected with each other. So yeah, sometimes love stories have a different fate or different paths. Sometimes you start together but the paths separate, you meet different people, but then again you meet that person and love is better the next time. So you never know. Religious factors, yes, your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So definitely you could be of different religions, or your spiritual spiritually this is a very very awakening relationship. This is a spiritual love, this is a spiritual romance. So keep your mind and heart open, water signs, and I love you all so much. Subscribe, Magic Ones Tarot, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.